to Big Bear and it is hailing to where we can't even barely see the road. You gotta roll up your sleeves? We haven't even made it out the city yet and it's hailing hella bad. But we're going up to Big Bear to catch some snow. Even though it's a snowstorm, we ready. Huh? We ready? Jordan's gonna put the chains on the tires. This should be interesting. JoJo's back here knocked out.
Gone in the wind.
Gone. But I'm gonna record us on the way up so we can see what it's looking like. Next day, I get that.
You looking crazy, know the church is raised me. I'm lurking yo, what Chicago Jays. Give him 39 years, I said, even though I didn't be, I'm about to make you one day. My body think I'm making
Crazy, but you like that. I buy you bad daisies on your nightstand.
She got my heartbeat racing. Every single time you
Don't go with the life without me, 'cause you're my view. Look who's up! Jojo, say hi!
Jody.
Say hi!
Hey.
Hi!
There you go.
Bro bought some whiskey. I'm about to take a shot.
Ooh, big Thursday. Yeah, not even Thursday. It's Wednesday.
Wasted Wednesday. Smoke break. You ready to party? Party! Yeah! Party! Party! Yeah! High five. High five. Oh, you want the camera? Say hi, camera. You said bye-bye? Bye-bye. Baby. Are you ready for Big Bear? Yeah. Okay, since you're a seasoned snow rider, snow driver, let us know when we gotta put the chains on, because it's getting kind of snowy over here.
That's different. Don't worry about it. We got 4-wheel drive in there, bro. We got 4 high, 4 low. Don't worry. Okay?
Okay, I trust you.
Yeah.
Alright, I trust you.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at how much snow! Oh, is this? I thought this was a checkpoint. I was saying. But I think they are putting their chains on right here. You want to stop and do it? Chains installed for $40. What you trying to do? So we stopped at this place that said they'll install our chains on the tires for $40. So I don't know if we're gonna do it ourselves or just let them do it for us. What you gonna do? You gonna let them do it for y'all?
Hell yeah. I ain't never done that shit before. I'm a city boy. I ain't never done that.
That's what I keep telling Jordan. I'm like, we from California for real.
I mean, nah, they do it quicker and shit, because you got, like, us to do it, bro, it's gonna take us a minute, because you gotta roll the wheel, because you gotta tuck all.
Fuck it, $40.
They got Jackson shit. We don't.
It's $40.
Yeah, $40 to do this shit.
I hope they take cards. You think they take cards?
They should take Cash App or something, because I don't have cash either.
Shit, they'll do it for us.
Okay.
Feels pretty nice out here.
Now it's cold. We finna put on our snowsuit. Huh? What happened? Exactly. This nigga talking about it. It's starting to get cold, baby. You wanna call Mima? Let's call Mima. Okay, so since we have 4-wheel drive, by law, we don't need chains on our tires, which is so irritating because we spent $130 on these chains and we only need to carry them in the car. We don't actually have to put them on the tires by law. But we're gonna use them because we pay for them. So we're gonna pull over and put these motherfuckers on, period.
Nah.
Yes, we need them. That's $130.
Shit, sell a motherfucker brand new, bro. We all it did was open the pack and
And we gotta go slow.
Yeah, man, stay safe, man. All right.
Oh my god. Wait, roll the window down. Roll the window down. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so scary.
Not the Tacoma.
I know they just slid.
They just slid down this motherfucker.
It don't matter how long it takes for us to get there, just slow it
Yeah,
down.
we are. Thank you for telling him, because you know this motherfucker don't listen to me. Shit. Alright, but we're in the snow. I don't even know if I'm fully prepared because I'm a real California girl and I just got on a long sleeve and a jacket, but
What's the
looking
temperature?
like-
It's 21 degrees?
yeah.
It ain't that bad. It ain't biting you, so.
It's not biting yet.
Nah, it
What's
ain't
biting?
When you over here like it hurts. Like it hurts to be cold.
But what temperature is it when
It
it's
don't matter.
biting?
It could be right now. It could be biting. You know what I mean? It's just the wind bites you. You know what I mean? And the wind hits you, and then it's like oh, come on, we gotta go now.
That's how I feel like it was
Don't trip.
when we was in Indiana. But look at the lake. Ooh, it's so pretty. Wow, that's different, huh? Wow. Wow. You see all the snow? Wow.
Already deep car. I pop out when the beef. I won't see me creeping on your block.
We're not driving back down tonight, so we're getting late.
They watch me dump a Glock. Got the drop on all his spot. He get robbed if you go or not. I know.
And that port. What is called? It's another one I like this.
Oh yeah, with how's it?
Is that right for me?
Give him some rice. You want to give him some rice?
They're trying to feed himself. Rachel said her beans are nasty.
The beans are gross. I'm sorry.
They're flat as fuck.
Ain't got no flavor.
No flavor.
No flavor, my
They
nigga.
don't even taste like beans.
She said they straight out the
For the
kid.
kids, right?
Let's do this shit. You want some? Here, and salt.
This is double shot.
And then you want pepper too? No, I'm joking.
Hold on, let me show them our shots though. Look
How
at
do y'all do it? Y'all take it first, the salt first, and then the lime?
No, the lime and then the salt. No, the
I don't even know.
the shot.
Everybody do it different. Shot, salt, lime. That's how
I do lime, shot, salt. Is that how you do it?
No, shot, lime, salt, lime.
I do.
Salud,
What are we
salud.
cheersing to?
Cheers to
Bear trip.
Big Bear,
Family.
Big Bear with babies.
Yeah.
Big Bear babies.
All right.
You alright?
Tasty, tasty, tasty.
Y'all alright? You alright? You alright?
Huda, you alright?
It's hella snowing out here and I'm so excited. Hi! Hi, big boy! Oh. Go dada. Go get dada. Go get dada. Wow.
Step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby.
It's snowing.
I've been on my empty mind. Shit,
Come here, Papa.
I should've kept from
Look at Jason, Justin. Joji, look at you, go.
We're about to go get JoJo some gloves. Do we need gloves?
Yeah.
We need gloves too.
Yeah.
The fuck?
And hat.
And a hat and a beanie. me. Yep. Alright.
What's happening, man? What's happening, bro? What's happening, bro? What happening, though? Say hey. No? You don't want to say hey?
So, we thought about bowling here, but nope. They're trying to charge us, well, they were trying to charge us for our babies, but we're like, they're not finna bowl, so it doesn't make no sense.
No sense.
So we're gonna go see if we can buy our own sleds and tubes and tube down some shit by ourselves, huh?
Get drunk and laugh at each other.
Get drunk and laugh at each other fall and shit.
That's what I'm saying. It's our own room.
If we feel like it, maybe we'll come back to bowl, but maybe, maybe not.
It's a banger. I can't get my balance. Right here.
Right here.
Come on.
Stomp your feet. Good job, baby. High five.
We ain't go tubing. We went sledding.
We got the
Jordan-
Bel Air
Jordan
road.
had a
Look, let me pour you some Mookie, baby. Hold on.
Y'all gonna be smacked. Fuck that.
How you feel?
Every year on the trip. Yeah, it's gross. I feel that.
Huh?
How you feel, Papa? You finna be smacked? You finna be smacked.
What, 2 and 2?
Oh my god. This is what y'all deal with in the snow on a regular basis? Or what? Just like a real California girl, I thought my Uggs were sustainable in the snow. They're fucking done.